The front turn signal bulbs in the Ram get the job done, but they're a bit dull and boring. So today we're going to add some safety and a killer look to our Ram with the Switchback LED turn signal bulbs. These bulbs are going to be direct fit replacements for the factory front turn signal bulbs and will light up a nice bright white for the running lights and then amber for the turn signals. They're super easy to install and they'll offer a brighter and more crisp of a light for a custom and modern look. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Okay, installing these turn signal bulbs is pretty straightforward. The only thing we need to do is open up this access panel in the wheel liner. Locate this clip right here and pop it out with a flathead screwdriver or a panel removal tool. And popping it out will allow you to open up the access panel. Once you open the access panel, you can get right to the back of the turn signal connector, get your hand on it, twist it counterclockwise, you'll unlock it, and then pull it out. And then there's your turn signal bulb. Simply pull it out. Install your new Switchback LED bulb, and if you go to install this and it doesn't turn on, pull it out, rotate it 180 degrees, and reinstall it. And now you can put this back into the headlight housing. We're gonna hit our hazards just to make sure that it works. All right, it's looking pretty good. We'll put it back into the housing. Get it into the housing. Rotate it clockwise to lock it. And now we'll do a side-by-side comparison to show you the difference. Now these Switchback LED bulbs won't cause the actual turn signals to hyperflash, but you will get hyperflashing on the dash and also a message on the dash telling you that your bulb's out. If you want to get rid of that, you can install these resistors, which will eliminate it. Okay, we got our LED switchbacks installed in our 2015 Ram, and I have to say they do look amazing on this truck. The running lights are pretty much just a small headlight now. They are incredibly bright, and the turn signal is nice and crisp. These will cause hyperflashing though, but they won't hyperflash on the light. The only thing that will hyperflash is the indicator on the dash. And installing them is pretty simple. It should only take you about 10 to 15 minutes to do this, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.